Jaden. Lift up the blanket. You know she's been talking about it like crazy. Like, I'm getting a bike.
Sunshine.
I'm getting a bike.
Turn around.
Super excited.
Jaden, look at Grandma.
Are you good at flipping cakes out of a pen?
I could try.
Are you good at flipping cakes out of a pen?
Come here, honey.
We can do it.
Okay. I just don't want it to like break apart.
Jaden, do you like your bike? It's pretty, huh? Cherie,
Huh?
you should get a baby.
Can you get on it?
Huh?
Get a baby.
I have one for her.
Oh.
Oh, there we go.
Hey, you gotta look in that bag too.
Look at you, big girl.
Sunshine.
Jaden, look at Grandma. Jaden, look at Grandma, please. Smile. Keep looking at Grandma.
Can you look at Grandma?